I've never seen Chaz move so fast. Yeah, Joel, get you some. Chaz!
Oh, Mike, you got people moving that way.
Did you feel it?
Yeah. Stop it.
Michael.
Can you get bonus points for capturing the Christmas tree?
What's that? That was Michael. Ha!